when we started working on that, then I realized what is going on, because each lecture, suddenly I found that it takes me 3 readings, 4 readings, even to understand the intricacy of Swamiji's ideas. So on the surface, there are a few exciting quotes and so on and so forth, which kind of, heat up your blood for a minute or two. But when you go deeper, you find that there are big ideas there. And you go even deeper, you find there are intricate arguments also there. So he is not only trying to make your blood warm up at that time, he actually wants it to remain warm forever. So for making it remain warm forever, he also gives you the arguments, the understanding, etc., which you have, which makes you say that yes, this is the right path which I have to take. So therefore, these lectures need a lot of attention. So it is, I think, a great matter of happiness for all of us that we have begun this process of actually studying his lectures, engaging with them, trying to go deep into them and trying to understand them, and not simply superficially read them on the surface. And thereby my own experience, and I think some of you may share it, for me it has transformed my understanding of India. I thought that I loved India, I thought I had read a lot on Indian civilization and this and that for so many years. But this one book, going deep into it, has truly transformed my vision. So, I hope that many of you also will go through the same experience in your own way and, through your own perspective on this whole thing.